Hi Geminis, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy with Sharo, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. So I'm looking to the dates. This reading is going to be right from 31st of May till 6th of June 2021, though timeless. Let's start. There's one card that came out already as an energy form, and let's just see what is going on with you. I might use my own deck as well, and I heard the message, bloom where you are. Okay, where are you? So bloom where you are. This may what's something happened. Okay, this may be connected with your work situation or your love relationships here, or certain relationships in your family and all that stuff. But you got a beautiful card. I feel that you found the one, or you're going to. However, this is your card. 9 of Cups energy. This came out, wanted to come out, and said, come on, take me out. Okay, this is where I'm supposed to be. And I got the message prior, actually, bloom where you are, which is a plus sign here. So your whole energy is about your satisfaction mode, your happy mode, and your happy mood. Okay, there is something happening which is happening very fast, may connect with your certain relationship, stability, engagements, moving in, marriages, or already. Okay, so this is about your pure connectivity with someone in your life, possible someone new. However it goes for you, there is bloom where you are. So you're blooming in your work, blooming in your relationship, or the connection right now you might be having. Your energy is about, I got what I wanted, so I'm satisfied. My desire, my thing, my connection, my communication here. Because you also have 8 of Wands energy beneath, which is a plus sign here. This is some movement which is on a positive note. Something that you desired the most, and they gave you. Who gave you? They gave you. Universe gave you. Fairies and, I should say like an angel and devil, they do work in process to infinity. Okay, so they make you look through situations and then they give you things. So however, universe provided you with the 9 of Cups situation here. So your overall energy is about, take it seriously. That's what I heard. You are here on this side and you're here, so you're going to have a lot of same moment, a lot of movement here. Movement can be physical, movement can be word wise, but there is something that you are really busy in. This may be your desired work, this may be your desired freelance something, whatever it is, it's like your desired love. This is having a same moment, and take it seriously. However, I say square, sincerely and seriously, so that's what your energy is going to be conducting this approach in this particular format. Okay, fine. It's not they're saying it's not here. I mean literally in the physical form possible, but the communication is happening here for some of you. For some, this is a movement. It's going to be very quick and in a hustle, but you're going to like this quick and hustle. There may be a Libra or Aquarius as well, but this is your energy, I feel. Stick to it. No more confusions. There is no more confusions. Whoa, Ace of Wands, someone is making, okay, I heard approach. Someone is doing this approach towards you. Ace of Wands is my karma card. This is, okay, I also heard profitable. So possible it is connected with your work area as well. But this is also something, approach, which may be about the person, someone who is dedicated towards you and they're physically attracted towards you. This is something karmically you people are connected. And this card was also coming along. However, I was not taking this card. But 8 of Wands energy. This is something that you are coming in from your recent past or distant past, is all about what you started recently. Possible a week ago or an year ago or a month ago. This is taking a boom. In the next 8 weeks, 8 days, 8 hours, even 8 months to the extreme, because these are though timeless. But I feel in this time frame, next 8 days might boom, 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 boom. Things are going to happen very quick in your life, which is very good. Good. Bloom where you are. And as I said, bloom where you are, you got all positive response. There's a positive response from the person even. 2 of Wands energy. Plans, acceptance, proposal, purpose. That's what I heard. Destined something. Whatever it is, it's going to boom. Okay, that's what I say. Boom, 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 boom. So you are having a talk with your lover. This is also about certain kind of manifestation. I feel if you are traveling to this person or meeting or talking, this is definitely something that is going to happen in the physical form as well for many of you in this coming time frame, as I said. To the Two of Wands energy in your future, big plans of shifting to other place, big plans of someone visiting you, okay, and big plan of the decision. This is what I'm going to do. Am I done with your reading? It's only 5 minutes. Nah. Okay, what's beyond Two of Wands? Someone is saying, believe me. You got 2 cards. Someone is saying, believe me, and I feel bloom where you are is the concept of someone saying, believe me, because I love you. Okay. Page of Swords. This is someone who is trying to, I'm having hiccups, prove their worth. Which is they know that they are worthy, but just that because they love you or you love them, you're going to take this chance. There is a chance, I see. There's a lot of communication, I'm telling you. It's also yes and no's. You have 2 cards. So for some cases, this is a callback. Someone who might be waiting, they're going to, and it's going to happen for you. For some of you, there's a love that is going to be so right for you. But with the Judgment, it is also someone's return, like a callback, chance given, okay? Or love that is going to be served to you properly. With this, there's an offering, Page of Cups as well. Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. Piscean might be, but this is also something birth in the future. Beyond Two of Wands energy, in the future call, what is trying to bring in your life is a justified love, trustworthy person, you to them, them to you, wholesome, if that makes sense, but bloom where you are. This is what is. Love is surrounding you in the future. Things are going to be manifesting very fast. Or possible this 9 of Cups is all about that you desire this connection of the person, and they're coming. Okay, they're coming. Someone who cannot resist. They want to talk. They want to say many things to you. Or you want to. However, goes vice versa. I also feel this energy of like someone who's saying that I don't want to talk, but they want. They want to tell you something. Oh my God. Okay. I'm seeing that someone is trying to just pull someone towards someone and, hugging them, which is very nice. Let's see from Romance Angels, because when the hug comes, you have romance. Something is very soon happening in your life, which is a plus point. Clearly decide what you want. Okay, someone is waiting for your answer, or someone is just already there and they just want to bloom in your life, basically. So blooming with this person. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So maybe your decision is pending, honey. Pending. Do it right. Oh, I have to have this expression because you have wedding. This situation involves marriage. You're already, and I talked about engagement, planning, wedding, already in, then good. Someone looks at you like this, so they're in love with you, or you are in love with someone. Marriage is there. There's a big decision in the future coming. This may be for some of you who were involved with someone, who were married to someone, possible in the past energies, and you karmically evolved here, completed something, healed something, and there's a big decision. Because with the Two of Wands, I feel something that you've already gone through, but you also have to have big decisions in future. Wedding, very soon. Nice, I like it. Nice involvement. I mean, it's like rosy cheeks, whatever that poem is. There is someone who is seeking a victory over the situation. You have Ace of Swords energy, which is initiation of communication, seeking answer. Someone who is very, how does that make it? Assertive? How it goes with you? Not going away. not going away. Okay, bloom where you are. The star, not going away. Oh, wow, 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 wow. You have two cards attached. Wow. So you have Ten of Pentacles, which is luck. Which is luck. You can see the word here. And you have hope. Luck and hope both on your side, and the star, Aquarius card though. The Geminis, you are having a beautiful hope and luck entering. May it be work, establishments, businesses, or love relationship settlements. That's what I see. It's gorgeous. Touching the star, touching the the surface, and coming out of the water and peeping. Oh my God, there's a new life, or there's new hope in something. You will be lucky. Bloom. Bloom where you are. I said so. Bloom where you are. You have some pretty good cards, pretty good energies, and you have some pretty good specific energy around you. Most probably you to them, them to you. You to them, them to you. Oh. Someone is sad without you. You have sweetheart and letter. You have sweetheart and letter. Someone who is sad without you, or you are. However, this is something that you're reading out. If you have female energy, listen to my reading, goes that way. Maybe male, female, but something someone is reading out, making big plans before they make this way out of the waters. So someone need to come out of their deep emotions here, or deepest of thoughts here, basically, to take out those emotions out here. With the letter, someone is possible giving emotions words. You have a very pretty reading. Hopefully you're going to make better decisions, and you stay guarded and happy. Bye. See you soon. And the recording time was 12:12. Bye.